Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel which is Study Buddy with Komal दीदी। आज मैं आपको अपने वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ एक मज़ेदार और पावरफुल मार्शल आर्ट्स मूव जो कि आप घर पर इजीली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। We will learn step by step in a fun and safe way. So, are you ready? आप सब तैयार हो? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Let's start. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. If you had fun and want to learn more, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay safe and keep training. Bye bye. See you in the next video.